Come test drive the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, mirror memory, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, front all-season tires, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.